Ba-da-ba-ba-oh. In an exclusive interview with our reporter, they revealed that the podcast is not based on imagination, and you can, or rather definitely will, find a resemblance in your lockdown life. So it's safe to say that the podcast is meant strictly for entertainment purposes only and does not intend to hurt the sentiments of any individual, community, sect, or religion. A leaflet, guys, like a leaflet has been published that advises viewers discretion. That's all for today, folks. This is me signing off. Janhit mein jari.
काल राज्यात 2127 नव्या रुग्णांची भर तर काल सर्वोच्च 76 जणांचा मृत्यू. एकूण कोरोनाबळींचा आकडा 1025 वर.
Hello, Mr. Secretary.
Akashi, call me Mr. Good.
Yeah, बोला ना.
Actually, I wanted to give you a news. This WhatsApp, by the way, is not working, so I'm personally calling all the residents.
Oh, no. How delightful to have a call from you. But what happened to your WhatsApp?
All these irresponsible residents and members keep on leaving our group. How many times should I add them back? I'm sitting like this without work or what, huh?
No. Really, sir. It is hard to find out why people are leaving your WhatsApp group. Anyway, what's the news?
One family from B Wing has been tested positive for corona.
What? Who? When? And now what? Are they sealing the society? What are they going to do now? Oh my God! The apocalypse is now. We all are gonna die. Oh my God!
आकाशे नाही वाटलंच होतं मला. Reacted as expected. Nothing doing now. Take care and tell everybody.
अरे पण काका?
तन्वीर आकाशे. How call me Mr.
Shit! Oh God!
Stuck here together, nowhere to go. अब क्या करूँ ऐ जिंदगी? Locked up with randos for God knows how long. Stocked up on भिंडी, आलू और अंडे 2000. सुट्टे के पैकेट्स और सैनिटाइजर में है प्यार. जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. 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 जंग में जारी.
Ravi!
What
Everybody in the living room! Drop whatever you are doing right now!
What is it doing?
अरे I don't think I can drop here what I wanna drop.
કાંડો છે કે શું બોલી રહ્યો છે તું?
A family in the B wing has been tested positive.
What? अरे बाप रे प्रेशर बढ़ गया. I will be back.
Oh God. Looks like he dropped it anyway.
Thankfully, we have an entire section dedicated to this situation and the countermeasures as well.
एक मिनट. Thankfully? Yeah, sure.
Hey, shut up, Manoranjan. Do you have any idea? Corona will reach our...
Tanveer, you calm down first.
Yeah. Okay. We have enough supplies. Plus I have backup supplies. त्यामुळे घाबरायचं काहीच कारण नाहीये कोणीही. Okay?
What? You have backup supplies? For this? Oh my God.
Kumar, 4 words: foresight, planning, management, and money. Anyway, we have our stuff in place and nobody leaves the house now at any cost.
Okay.
I'm going. I have to get a few things from the store.
What? Arey, what is this, yaar?
Tanveer, why don't you just sit down and breathe, okay? And Falak, wait.
हाँ, please Tanveer, sit down यार.
I am back with a clean stomach and open mind.
छी यार,
मुड़ू बंद रख तू. पालीन यार.
Tanveer is saying nobody can leave this house now.
What?
And has some backup supplies somewhere.
Yeah, I need some fresh air.
Actually, all of us do. Thanks to your clean stomach.
Anyway,
Ugh.
I'm going. Palan, you can come with me.
Seriously, yaar. Is nobody concerned that we have corona positive patients in our society? Oh my god, what is wrong with you?
Tanveer, come on. Let's just go to the terrace, okay, and breathe. You need some air. Come with me, come.
Hey, Falak, wait. Where are you going? I'm also coming now. Wait. Hey.
Palan, yeah.
Hey, Ravi and I will cook. Tanveer, you take off. We got you covered. Hey, Ravi, chal.
Hey!
Arey.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
146, 147, 148, 149, 150.
Hey,
Whoa, who's there? I'm just exercising.
hey. Here. Hi.
Oh.
Oh, wow, man. You are good. How long did it take you to get all these muscles?
Oh, well, the muscles were right here all the time. To develop them, it took me around, 2 years?
I don't get it. I mean, it must be a cool joke of you smart guys, right?
Yeah, smart guys, huh? Says a lot about your smartness.
Hey, I don't get this either.
Oh, nothing. What's your name?
My name's Sakshi. Yours?
Oh, my name is Milapsina, but people here call me Benchadarsh. You get it?
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, what college are you in, huh?
Huh? College? Do I really look that old?
Oh, no. I just...
I'm in the 9th standard.
What?
And what college do you go to?
Hey, do I look that young?
Yeah, you do.
Well, great. So, what do you need from me?
Yeah. So can you teach my boyfriend your stuff like bodybuilding and shit? He really wants to be an actor, you know?
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, obvio. Who doesn't?
So, you guys are in the same class? Or he's elder to you, or he's smaller, or what?
Yeah, we are in the same class.
Thank God. So, and he's into gym and workout?
Yeah, who isn't?
At this age?
So, Milap, you in or not?
Okay.
Hey, I hope you don't mind if I call you by your first name, huh?
I like it better if you call me Bench Adarsh.
Yeah, alright.
Give your BF a call.
Kumar? I want your honest answer. If I'd met you outside or anywhere else, what were the chances of this happening between us? Although what we have right now is highly questionable on its tangible grounds, but...
Hey, see, I wanted to say we had our chances, but then you say such things and then...
What?
Then I don't know. Okay, see, I never let myself go beyond a certain point. Ever. Okay? But you really are some exception, I must say.
Exception, huh? Landed the hottest girl! Bitches suckers!
Oh God, Tanvi, stop. No, I'm not giving you a high five.
Yeah. Okay, but seriously, thank you for taking care of me. I know I can be really tough to handle at times.
Yes!
Eh, तुला कोणी विचारलंय का?
Yeah, sure. I don't know. I've gotten so used to you, to us, to everybody.
Yeah, me too. But what happens after the remaining 10 days? You know, after the unlock starts, what do we do? How do we operate amongst ourselves with Corona and with the world outside? When people meet each other, get together, what's gonna happen?
Calm down.
Just tell me, Kumar.
Calm down. Listen, okay? All of us have similar issues. Same questions, same insecurities as you do, okay? We'll figure something out. Breathe now, breathe. Okay? Breathe with me. Yeah. Yeah, now I am panicking. Okay, now,
Kumar,
now I am panicking.
what is happening?
Oh,
Okay,
why
okay,
you
okay,
do
okay.
this
Don't
to
worry.
me
Okay,
every time?
how do I calm you down, Kumar? Kumar, calm down. Just calm
I
down.
hate you.
I don't know what they're talking about. Arey yaar. But Kumar is surely doing a terrific job at handling Tanveer.
Why are you both looking at me? I'm past that, and yeah, Ravi, you were right.
I know.
It was just a phase. And it has passed. So stop.
No, Ravi, but seriously, Kumar has actually relieved you of babysitting.
है ना?
Like,
I wonder what they're going to do after the unlock process though.
I'm not sure, yaar. What will I do?
that's okay. We've got 10 more days to figure that out.
Hey Malvi, where's my charger? Have you seen it? I'll just come.
Acha, okay. Hey, quick, Manoranjan.
Nahi! Malvi, I mean, what are your intentions? I mean, see, we need to set some boundaries.
Yeah, you wish. चल.
Actually, I don't. वो गाजर पास करना.
ये ले. अच्छा, by the way, what are you going to do about Ravi?
What do you mean? What about her?
Bitch, please. Pauline told me, so don't act so surprised. He's easy to break, yeah.
Scheme.
Hey.
I mean, damn him. And, I don't know. I like her. Mine is not the phase. But I know what her answer is gonna be. So,
I know how that feels, yaar. But then, at least try talking to her, na? Indirectly if required.
see, I don't want to lose what we have as friends. That is precious. Like that. So, I'm gonna do nothing about it.
You're gonna do nothing about what?
About exercise and shit.
Anxiety for the unlock?
About anxiety about exercise after unlock.
Huh.
You and exercise. Please tell me nobody has put money into this bet of yours, huh?
Are?
But if you want to talk about what's making you anxious, I'm all yours.
If you keep an open mind, maybe he will.
Okay. बोल ना काय झालं?
बोल ना. अरे बोल.
No, there is nothing to talk about, Ravi.
Smooth. Idiot.
What? I freaked out.
आपके यहाँ पे 5 कोरोना पॉजिटिव पाए गए हैं.
Balan, you shouldn't have scolded the shopkeeper guy, yeah? So what, he wanted some extra money? And he was just trying to float his way through it, yeah? That's so normal, man.
No, Falak. Nobody can take advantage of you or anybody in the house for that matter. At least till I am here. समझी ना? मारा मम्मी की कसम.
Oh, Balan, thank you. But it's really you who needs most of the protection and most of the times.
Hey, that is not true, huh? कुछ भी.
You first do what you've promised.
अरे yes रे बाबा. I will try to speed up maths and also MS Office classes with bench. Done.
Good.
But Falak,
Uh-huh.
he's really lucky to have found you, yaar.
Yeah, he is. And so am I.
Hey, अच्छा, speaking of him, is that him on the lawn? Hey, who's that girl he's with?
Where? What girl? What?
Alright. Hey, I hope your boyfriend Bhavesh was okay with today's class.
Yeah, you taught him so well. You know so much, Benj.
Yeah. Thanks. I know, right? So, see you tomorrow, Sakshi. Yeah?
Bench?
What? Where do these voices come from? I get scared, man.
From here. Bench?
Oh, hi.
Darn it. Milap?
Hey,
You know he likes to go by the name Benj.
Acha. Is it?
Why, babe? Why are you angry? Sakshi, she's boo-boo. I mean, Falak. He's Paleen, one of my bras. Paleen, she is.
Sakshi!
Hi.
Heard it the first time.
Hmm.
You need not repeat it, huh?
Okay. I think there's a misunderstanding.
Yeah.
Falak, this is not what it looks like.
Oh, so now she's defending you. Wow. Palin, let's go. Milap, come home whenever you're done.
Actually, I am done. I was just going home, so let's go together now.
Yeah, me too.
No need. Drop her home.
What?
What?
Palin!
Yes. You do that. Hey, go. Drop her.
Well, you're worth fighting for.
Sakshi, just.
Oh my god!
Oh no.
I am right here.
Oh my god. I am also right here. Bench?
Hey, Paleen, yaar, why are you putting your leg in between?
Hey, Falak, it's nothing. Chill.
Yeah, it's nothing. Believe me, Bubu.
Look at you, Bench. Is she always this angry?
Yeah, she is actually. But
Oh my
no. That's not the point, Bubu. That's not the point.
Everybody in the living room right now.
Whoa.
Falak. Actually, only I can call group meetings because I am like the head of the.
Living room now. Everybody.
They are larger, stronger, and fiercer than male hyenas.
Okay. Sorry. Damn.
You just have to say things, don't you? Idiot.
So this man, whom we fondly call Bench Adarsh,
Milap Sinha.
has wronged you, Kumar.
Oh, damn.
Why?
And now he's doing the same thing with me. And I think karma's a bitch. You are next, Sakshi. You rotten hell girl.
Nee, but by that logic, shouldn't karma get bench and I should probably shut my mouth?
Shut up, Manuranjan.
You have to say things, don't you?
Hey, chalna.
Whoa. Guys and gals, it's nothing. Believe me.
Milap, who's Sakshi?
The girl who was shooting while this bench was doing push-ups.
What? That's ridiculous.
What? Bench?
No. We were on a video call with her boyfriend Bhavesh. And I was, Tanvir, I was teaching him about basic workout, basic workout, and that, I swear, Boo, call her if you want, ask her.
You exchanged numbers?
What?
You shouldn't have said that.
Going by the context, how old is she anyway?
She is in 9th standard.
Oh, school girl. You just couldn't wait for 10 days till I got the uniform, huh? We talked about the school girl thing on the story room night, remember? Damn you, Bench.
Boo, it's not
Wait,
that.
she's in 9th standard and she has a boyfriend? That's crazy.
I don't need to.
I can't believe this. What is going on, man?
Oh my god, Falak. Just talk to her if you're really this unsure.
Bench, do you have any problem with that?
No, absolutely not.
Great, then you should talk to her.
Call her. We are going.
And territorial trespassers are often viciously attacked.
Oh my god. I'm actually scared of Falak. Not good for my anxiety levels. Okay.
And I'm scared for Bench.
But who's the Sakshi and what's wrong with Falak,
I seriously can't believe what just happened.
But honestly, what happened? Can someone please tell me? इतना क्या हुआ मतलब?
Manoranjan, don't laugh.
ए यार तन्वीर, तू सारखं काय रिअरेंज करतोस रे गोष्टी? तू माझ्या वस्तूंना हात लावत जाऊ नको ना.
अगं तू सारखं माझ्या कानापाशी येऊन बोलत जाऊ नकोस ग. तिकडे जा.
Why are you so cranky? All of us have problems here.
I just don't want to talk to you.
मलाही नाही बोलायचंय तुझ्याशी, कळलं ना?
Or to any one of you in the house. Neither to my parents nor my colleagues. You know what? I want to talk to random people. from Facebook or my contact list. Huh? But I don't know what to talk to any one of them. And neither do I know if they are really willing to have a word with me. You know what? Lately I've been feeling everything so acutely. But how do I express that? I really don't know. What are we doing? What is going to happen here?
Tanveer, see, I cannot agree more with you, man. I know the anxiety is sure piling in. But tell me, what else can we do than to just wait and let this pass? Yeah?
That's right, actually. Tanveer, we need to know one thing. Whatever is happening to all of us and not anyone in particular.
Yeah, exactly. I agree.
I agree with Manoranjan here. We have to sustain this time somehow.
Yeah. I don't know what else to say. This might be the new normal, we don't know.
Yeah, that's possible.
Exactly.
All of what you are saying is true, but let's hold on tight. We've got each other, right? जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा यार, है ना?
Oh, come here, you guys. Come on, bring it in. Ye Tanu, come.
Sorry.
अरे बेटी पुष्पा.
यार मनोरंजन यार.
Don't cry now, guys, okay?
Hey, hippie girl, what do you want?
Hey, Bubu, don't talk like that.
Nothing. Your boyfriend was just teaching my boyfriend how to get this physique. So just chill, okay?
Yeah, Bubu, actually, that's what, yeah.
Hey, you don't tell me to chill. Oh, so you do have a BF?
Yeah, who doesn't have a BF these days? And why do people keep asking me this? Don't worry, sis.
Hey, you're still in school, okay? So don't you sis me.
Temper, huh? Phew. Best of luck, bench. We really are sailing in the same boat, huh?
Thank you. So, are you okay now, Falak?
Falak?
Oh, Bubu, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm cool. Hey, Sakshi, you go concentrate on your studies. Go. I'm sorry I bothered you.
Yeah, whatever. Bye, bench.
Yeah, bye.
Let me know the time for tomorrow's session, huh?
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, bye.
Alright. Look at you. Giving all grown-up talks and all, huh? I didn't know you had this in you, Bubu.
I hope you got an idea of what you've gotten yourself into. So what do you think? Wanna change your mind?
Let me think. Are you kidding me? Now I love you more, Bubu. Actually, I'm a bit turned on as well, you know.
I'll kill you. Come here. I love you, okay?
Oh, Bubu. Me too. And 3 and 4 and 3000.
Mwah.
अरे मनोरंजन यार, what is wrong with you, रे?
What are you talking about?
Hey, चल. Malvi told me everything, huh?
अरे यार.
अरे, she is very easy to break. So you tell me, चल, बता.
अरे, there's nothing to tell. I'm okay with what Rava said. What is wrong with me, man? What Ravi and I have, I'm okay with that. It's just that I can't afford to lose her, Pali. I just can't.
अरे यार, मनोरंजन यार, shit. सच्चा आशिक है हाँ भाई तू. बस यार, दिल जीत लिया तूने आज.
I'm sorry. I overreacted today. But that's because I love you now.
Yeah, Bubu. I know.
You better get used to this.
Don't you see? I already have.
Huh?
Oh, I am just kidding.
You're so adorable.
I want to squeeze you, Bubu. Squeeze you.
Kumar? Can I talk to you outside?
Yeah, sure. It's time, isn't it?
Don't get me wrong. I truly wish it wasn't our time yet.
Yes, I understand. Thank you for everything, Tanveer. I wish sometime later we can pick up things that we're leaving now. You're a really nice guy. I don't know how I'm going to do without you.
Kumar, I don't know what you're gonna do once this lockdown is over. Hell, I don't know what I'm going to do either. What we have is too good to be true.
Tanvir, I love you.
No, Kumar. You know what? Please don't.
I'll go sleep now.
Yeah.
Hey, Kumar. Kumar, are you okay?
I don't know. Tanvir and I, we just...
Yeah, I guessed.
It's not easy to let a guy like Tanvir go.
Yeah,
You see,
I can understand. But you'll get over it. I mean, everybody does, right?
yeah. But this time is extraordinarily difficult. So,
Well, if you need anything, I'm right here.
oh God. Malvi, yaar.
You'll be fine.
अगं रावी,
तन्वीर,
तू इथेच आहेस का?
तनु,
काही नाही मी पाणी प्यायला आलो होतो. हा, झोप तू. झोप. मी पण झोपतो थोड्या वेळात.
I know. It's okay. Come here.
रावी,
ये रे.
it's over.
आई गो तनु. She really made you happy, man. Both of you are so right for each other, but the time is not. It's okay. I'm really sorry for you. It'll be okay.